So I gotta know, is this the ultimate dropshipping setup or am I cooked? We gonna find out over the next 10 minutes in this video. All right, first things first, take your beautiful lazy ass over here to something called Higgs Field AI. Now, Higgs Field AI is incredible because this is going to do so many things, but for the sake of this video, I want to be concise, clear, and let you know exactly how you can use it. So, is this the ultimate dropshipping setup or is it not? First thing we need to do is have a consistency of videos. Now, I'm gonna show you one way we can make videos. Here is my clients page. As you see, this is the clients page and it's called Youth Lux. We are approaching 2,000 followers. And with a page like this, we're doing two different things. We're building them their brand, which means we're gonna do organic, make some dope videos. As you see here, almost 700K, 80K, 200K. We wanna make organic, great videos, but at the same time, this is a business and we wanna make a lot of money. So we are and just begun running ads. So one thing you could do is take some of these already viral videos for whatever product you have from TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and then you can repost them. And one thing we do here is we give credit. So whoever we use, we tell them exactly who they are. And this is good for two things because this girl may see, once she went viral again, she may see this video and may want to work with you. Maybe she's not making that much money and maybe she'll start doing affiliate marketing for you. You never know. But this also protects you from getting the videos removed. This is one way. Now for a word from today's sponsor. One way to keep a business, a real business that stands out from the crowd, is to build your own website, bro. You gotta know that. And when you get a .store domain, it's the perfect domain to sell anything online. One that probably actually helps you sell more. A detailed study showed that websites on a .store domain get 87% more traffic, which leads to 2x higher ranking on Google. And when customers see this, they instinctively know it's an online store, which is going to help you sell more because they already know what they're looking for. Wow, that rhymed. So a .store domain is built for sellers. It's the perfect domain for anyone looking to sell anything online. And it's no wonder that you see Cristiano Ronaldo, Emirates Airlines, Mr. Beast, for 1.5 million sellers that trust .store domains. And for a limited period of time, you can get a domain for just 99 cents by using code SESH. That's code SESH, and it'll be 99 cents. Now, you can buy this domain using websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, but to get the 99-cent discount that we have here, the special, you got to use the link below in the description and you got to use that code. And as an added bonus, when you buy a .store domain, you also unlock Elevate.store Plus. Yeah, you heard me, the plus version, that way. And what that's going to do is give you free access to deals, discounts, and tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and it's going to be helping you on your online store and dropshipping journey today. So make sure you check out the description right now, click that link, and enter code SESH and tell them the session sent you. You did. Thank you for watching that. Now back to the video. The next thing you can do is make your own UGC AI influencer. So you see at Higgs Field, you can literally click right here. And once you click, you can make your own influencer. Look at this. You can make it general, angry, car. They have all these different templates, but the templates are cool for right now. I suggest using the templates because this is going to get you the best generation, the best response, the best outcome. Because if you go freestyle on your own, it's still going to be crispy and fire, but unless you are a prompter, you are really good and have experience with it, it may not give you the prompts you want. And the cool thing is they have so many different templates, from selfies to mirror selfies, and they even use VEO3. For those of you who are living under a rock and you don't know about ChatGPT, the Soras, the VEO3s, the Kling AIs, it's okay because this uses Google's tool and you can get more generations with it. Google only allows 3, but you can make your own AI influencer with this tool and you can control everything. You can upload a product image, an image of a person, change the background audio, you get it. And it's so much more than that because as you scroll, look at all these visual effects. So as you see, we load up even more. And if you have clothing, you want to act like you're getting paparazzi taken of you, or if you want to create any type of image with your product, they have a template here where you don't have to know coding and type it in. So Higgs Field is one of the first things. So Higgs Field is one of the first tools besides TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you use content. So those are the first things. And this is what's going to take it to another height, is a tool called Doba. And as you see, I'm on the free plan because you see, upgrade now, blah, blah, blah. This is the free plan. So you need a place where you can upload to a store. To me, this is key because it's just like any other business. Sometimes you can go through middlemen or you can know the plug directly. And when you know the plug directly and you making sales, you and that plug can start to build a rapport. Y'all can start to build foundation. So this is just another way that you can use AI, as you see up here, AI Hub. And as you see, if you're not that tech savvy or whatever have you, they even have an AI driven store and setup that they'll set up everything for you. So everything's going to get set up no matter if you want to sit down and do it and take the time, or if you want to use them, they'll have AI make the store for you, and it's literally a couple steps and ready to go. So I don't really have a preference which you want to use: Shopify, eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, wherever you got the stores, this can integrate with it. So these are the main tools, and the tool that's going to finalize this and top everything off. And the last tool is ChatGPT. You know it's going to help you with everything from graphics to management, your assistants, anything you need, it will help you. ChatGPT is going to make sure you dot all them I's and cross all them T's, if you know what I mean. So if you need, even if you need a certain type of video made, you need an AI influencer, I made my own GPT that will actually make the influencer for you, make the ASMR video for you, make the things for you. So this is my ultimate dropshipping setup. Let me know yours. And if you need any of the tools mentioned, everything's gonna be in the description for you. And let me know what you thought of the video. And let me know what you think. Where do you rank this on a scale of 1 to 10? Like, subscribe. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did!